Hello everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers, and today in this video we will talk about how you can integrate an e-commerce site built in Lovable into Shopify. So let's get started. So we will go to our Lovable dashboard, and here you can enter the prompt for whatever type of e-commerce site you want to build. So I have already had the prompt written for me by ChatGPT, so I will add that same prompt here. So I have written here, create a premium, modern, high-converting Shopify e-commerce website for an organic juice brand. And I have also included the brand name for the juice here. I have included quite a few things here. It depends on you what you want to include here. So you can write all of that in this prompt. When writing the prompt, keep in mind which platform you're building for. In my prompt, I wrote Shopify because I want to integrate this website into Shopify. So let's build it now. So the process of building the website has now started here. So now you have another option here. How would you like to set up Shopify? You are given two options here, create a new store and connect the existing store. It depends on you which of these two you would like to choose. I am currently choosing create a new store and we will submit it. After submitting, the next process will begin. So for the next step, you will see another option here. Here it says create Shopify store. So you can skip this or allow it. I am allowing it for now. So the next process has now begun. It will take some time for this process to complete, so you need to be patient here. So after some time, it shows the option to claim the store. So you can skip this or claim it. For now, I will claim this option, and as soon as I click claim, we will be redirected to another page. Here, you will see the option to claim the store. Now, you will click on claim store here. So, as soon as we click on claim store, you will be redirected to your Shopify dashboard. As you can see here on your right-hand side, you can see something like Pure Harvest Showcase EA50X. And this represents that the website you built in Lovable has now been integrated with your Shopify. After claiming, our claim has been accepted in this way. So we will close it from here. And after this, the next process will begin. So now you will get an allow option. So you need to click on the allow option. So after this, the next steps will start. So finally, guys, Lovable has completed all the processes and created a very nice e-commerce website. So let's take a preview to see how it looks in the desktop view. So guys, it has created a very nice website. And they have also added 3D effects. And the color combinations are also quite good and well added. The product cards that are created here have a very nice hover effect. You can see the hover effects here like this. And along with this, they have also included a buy to get one free CTA section. It also includes section for testimonials, and this website looks quite good. If we go to the shop page, the products are shown in this way. And if we click on any one product, the single page for that particular product is also built by Lovable. If we click add to basket here, look guys, it has been added to our cart. And if we click on secure checkout here, it will go to a checkout page like this. So our website is now completely ready, and we have also integrated our Lovable site into Shopify. So let's publish it now, because until we publish this Lovable website from here, we won't be able to see this website in our Shopify. So let's publish it from here. So we will click on publish here. So our project is now being published. Okay guys, so our site is now published. It says your website is live. So we can either copy the link from here or visit the site. So obviously we will visit the site. So here is our website. So now we will go to our Shopify dashboard, and here we will go to products. Let's go. So guys, you can see that all the products we added to the website we built in Lovable are also added to our Shopify product pages. If you want to change their title, You can change their title from here, change their description, and you can add any new images to them from here. And along with this, you can also add their pricing and so on here. After this, we will go to the online store. So guys, on this online store page, you can see that the website we built in Lovable has now been integrated here with our Shopify website. If we click on Edit Theme, an interface like this will open up for us, which will say redirecting, or click here if you are not automatically redirected. This means that any designs on the front end can only be added through Lovable, and all the work in the back end, meaning anything to do with orders or anything related to our payments, all that work will be done through Shopify. However, the front-end part, such as if you want to make changes to the homepage or make changes to the About Us pages, if we want to remove some images from here, or if we don't want a certain section here, or if we need to include some sections, then all that part will be done by going into Lovable. Here you can just give a simple prompt to add any text you want or remove any section you want, and you can do all of that through Lovable by giving a simple prompt. So guys, today through this video, you will have learned how you can easily create any e-commerce website in Lovable and how you can integrate it into your Shopify. So that's all for today's video. We also provide AI-friendly website development services. If you need any help regarding that, you can book our free 30-minute consultation call with our experts. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So see you in the next video.